Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought this car charger, fast charge, dual port 3.0 Qualcomm. This one. Okay, so let's look at the pictures. Okay, and then the price is only 5 ringgit 26. Very cheap. Description. Okay, I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy this product. Okay, let's test with my car charger adapter. So the product is like this. Okay, let's try. So it has blue lights. Okay, now let's test. My phone connected with LG V50. It's a Qualcomm 2.0, so it doesn't show Qualcomm 3.0 capabilities. Both about the same charger. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.